Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today's video we are making it very short and quick, and I'm showing you some tools, some equipment you need in order to get a shoot done. Some equipment, some tools and their uses in order to get a shoot done. This is Bfooty's channel. If you are just viewing for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Don't forget to share as well. Thank you very much as you do that. So let's get down to business. Okay, to start with, you need the marker. A marker is used to draw a pattern and mark and make points and make to make a design of the shoe you are making. And one advantage of the marker is you can clean it. It's easy to clean after use. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have scissors. So you need a scissors. Scissors, we all know what we use scissors for. We use it to trim, we use it to cut out our leather and also our line. We also use it to cut out our insole. This is a pattern scissors. You can call it a zigzag scissors as well. We use it when it is needed, not every time. Okay, we only use it when design requires you using it. We also have our ruler, our tape rule. We use what we use tape rule for, whereby we use it to measure. We also have a ruler. To make a straight line on when needed. Also our tape rule. I'm sorry I didn't put the picture. Okay, we have what we call a bouncing hammer. This hammer is used you are not going to use a normal hammer when you are joining when you join your lining alongside with your leather to hold the two together. You need a bouncing hammer for that. So we have a hammer. We know what we use the hammer for, whereby we use it to nail. We use it to hold our nail together with our last. We use the norm, and we also use it when making use of our puncher. We also have our lasting plier. This is a lasting plier where we use it to couple our shoe alongside with our last. We have, if you have seen our recent video, you know what we use our lasting plier for. We have our nail. You also need the nail so that you use it to hold, to tack and to pin. So that is what we use a nail for, and not a long nail, just a tiny one, just a small one. You need a nail. We also have what we call haul, AWL, haul. Sorry, it will be displayed. Okay, the haul is used to stitch. It is used to stitch a shoe together, and it's not used in every design. It's only when the design is when you need to use it, that's when you use it. And this is thread. This is not the thread you use in sewing when you join your thread alongside with your machine. This is a thread you need alongside with your haul. We have two different type of thread: the one you use for your haul and the one you use for your machine. This is the puncher. This puncher is it has different type of sizes, starting from the smallest to the biggest, and the biggest to the smallest. We have puncher. We use it to make hole on shoe when needed. And also we have this puncher. This one is it's still the same thing, but just the way we use it is just kind of different. Okay, this one is used for making an eyelet hole. What I mean by eyelet hole is your lace up, the place you pass your your lace. That's what we use it for. This is a knife. We use it to trim, and just a shoemaker knife. We also have our sewing machine. This is a manual sewing machine. It's one of the essential thing you need to have when making a shoe, because there's no how you make a shoe without sewing. You can make a slide without even going without using a sewing machine. This is an industrial sewing machine. It depends on what you are good at. So moving on to the next one, we have last. You know what we use last for? We use it to mold a shape. We use it to mold. We use it to couple shoe. This brings out the shape of the shoe you are making, the size. We have it in different sizes as well. Okay, we have our filing machine. This filing machine is used to trim, is used to smooth hair, and we use it to file, as the name implies. We use it to file, we use it to blend as well. So we have our insole. The manual use of the insole to us here to be Nigerian is we use it to cut out back stay, front stay, and as the name implies, insole, the inner of a shoe. Moving on to the next one, you need a gum. Yeah, you need a gum. In my next video, I'll be showing you the 3 types of gum you need. I'll be showing you to physically the 3 types of gum we use. Okay, this is we have the chemical soap, we have the normal gum soap, and we have the magic soap, or you can call it magic soap, or you can call it magic gum rather. So this is what I mean by magic gum. The way you use the magic gum is different from the way you use the normal gum. So the magic gum is just used to hold, if you have a lapse, if you have a losing edge of a shoe and you are done with your shoe, just need to apply a magic gum and hold it together. We also have a lining. You need your lining. That one is sure. You need your lining. And what else? You need your lining so as to carry your leather. You use it to carry your leather, to hold your leather, to make it stand firm. You need your leather. You don't need to be told. You don't need to be told that you need your leather. It's different type of leather and the design of the shoe I'm making. So that's that about that. Moving on, we have our brush. Yeah, we have our brush. This brush is a suede brush. We use it to dust. The suede kind of has two different type of face. So you need to make to smoothen it. We also have our suede polish. Yeah, this is a suede spray rather. It's a spray. You need to we have it in different colors. Yeah, so just when your shoe is done, just spray your suede, pam pam pam. You are good to go. We have our polish. This is water polish, and we are good to go. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Please do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. See you guys next time.